Is my screen is visible to all of you? Hello? Hello, am I audible to all of you?
Sir, it's loading, sir.
Okay.
It's loading, sir.
Okay.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Yes, there is some network issue. Wait. Now it is visible to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
And my voice is clear?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay. So today we actually previous class we have covered the device session of the user input, what is the string operation, list, tuple, all the operation. Okay, indexing, slicing, all the part. Okay, so we do some operation, do some question, and through this all those operation. Okay, question answer. Okay, so at first we have create some name by the user input. Okay, by fill up those details. Okay, how can I do this thing? Okay, let's suppose I am creating one name. Okay, so here we have to at first need some variable. So here at first I'm taking the name, the variable. Just you know, in the, when you form fill up in some site, there will be two name coming: first name, middle name, and last name. Okay, I omit the middle name, only taking two things: first name and the last name. Okay, whenever I will put those details in the site or somewhere. Okay, so here I just create those two things using the variable. So what is variable? Variable nothing but a is a name or name memory allocation. Okay, because name there is some condition. We have provide those PDF file. There will all those notes are there. You can go through that sheet and have. Okay, so what is the condition for the variable? The variable should be starts with letter or the character, not the number. Okay, so this is the condition, main condition. Okay, so I create the variable at first f name. Okay, I just put f name. F name is equal to, then I create the user input. What is the user input? I want to input some different types of name. Okay, because my name is different, your name is different, so everyone's name is different. Not all time, but somehow all the names are different. Everyone in this room now. Okay, so I took the user input. It will be, you choose the user input means you enter the num different values. Okay. So I at first create the user input. Okay. So this is the thing of taking the user input, use the input function. Then I took some name. Some thing I have to want to print, enter your first name. Here, first name. Okay. And then I just put this one. Okay. Okay, this is the thing of the user input. Okay, so this is the thing you can write the user input. Okay, now one more thing. What is the thing in the inside the quotation? This is the thing you can print whenever this is, I call this name f name. Whenever I write print f name, it will print. See how if I print print f name. Okay, run this code. See this quotation, this sentence under the quotation, it will print here, and then it asks please enter the name, because by this input function. Okay, so I just write here my name. I just write Souronil. enter, it will print the name here. Okay, so this is the how you can take the variable and use the user input. Okay, those who are new in this meeting, please understood this thing. Okay, okay, now this is a thing, but there are some data type here. How many data are there? There are character data type. This means string data type, integer, float, boolean. There are many type of data types there. This means if you choose some type of data type, you can do some kind of operation. Okay, if you choose string data type, you can do the string concatenation, string multiplication, that kind of data type, that kind of operation. If you choose integer, you can do multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, so as this is a string of string with the character, so I also take some string data type here. Okay, so what can I do? I just put on typecasting. I do the typecasting. This is called typecasting. Okay, what happened for this thing? Because if I input some data, it will automatically treat as a string. Okay, then I can do any kind of operation which is related to the string. Okay, so that's why I just put some str for string. Okay, and this is I do typecasting. Okay, so there are three things. Okay, if this is variable thing, and this is the input function for the user input, and this is the typecasting for string. Okay, now next again I do the last name. So again I create a variable and then I put the same thing. You can just copy those things. Control C, not sorry, Control C and then Control V. Okay, and just change there to the last name. Enter your last name. LST last name. Okay. So now if I print also the last name. Okay. 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 What is this thing? Okay. See. Here I print the last name means I call this name. Okay. Or call this variable. And what is the variable here? This is the variable inside. So all those things will be calling by the printer. And then the output came. Okay. Run this code. Enter first name. I just put Souronil. Enter. Enter last name again as enter last name. I just put Giri. Enter. So see the two name will printed in different way. But I don't want this way to print my name. I want to print my name like this way. Souronil, then gap, then Giri. Okay. So what can I do? So then I have to do some operation. Okay, so the string operation. Okay. What can I do? I just write. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, here I copy this thing and do the next. Control C, Control V. Okay. Just take this thing. Okay. Okay, now what can I do? I just print my both the first name, last name merged or concatenate both the thing. How? So here the string concatenation come. Okay. So what can I do? I just call this thing if name, then put comma. Okay, because there are multiple thing I have to put in the print statement. I have to put commas. Then no, not commas here. Okay, let's then put the plus. Concrete. Then I have to create some gap because Souronil Giri there is only gap in the first name and the last name. Then I put the space with this bracket because there is no space I can mention here, so I have to use this thing. And next is L name. Okay, now run this code. First name SOU. I just shortly NIL Souronil. Enter GIRI. Enter. See, my name is printing here. Souronil Giri. Okay, everyone understood this thing, or there is any kind of doubts? Hello, everyone.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so this is the thing you can print, but I want to modify all those output in better way. Okay, so what can I do? I can do another thing, not another thing, just adding some thing. Okay, I just add some writing, just my name is or this way. Okay, so I want to put something, some sentence, somewhat. So you have to put that thing inside a quotation. Okay, I put the quotation and write my name is, okay, then I just put some colon here for better, and then I put some gap, and again I close those quotation. Okay, then I have to put some comma because those things are different, because this thing on is on sentence and this is on the variables names. Okay, this is the string conclusion all operation, but here I cannot conclude but these things. Okay, so this is the thing, and then I just run, and I just okay, one name from your site. Okay, Pallavi Das. Okay, so I just put Pallavi, and then I put the enter, then put the Das, enter. Okay, my name is Pallavi Das. Okay, you can do another thing, not the is. You can put the colon, or you can put only my name or the only name. Okay, you can do that way. Okay. Okay, another thing you can say, sir, dear, the P is the small, D is the small. Okay, can I only capitalize those two letters of the P and D? Yes, you can do. Here also comes the string operation. What's that name? That is capitalized. So I copy again those things. Everyone understood those things, what I am doing step by step. Okay, I just give, because this is the string, so you can do the all operation. Okay, sorry, I have to put the f. So f name dot some function called capitalized input function. Okay, this is one function inside the string, and also the lm dot put the function. Okay, now I just not do this thing, I just only put name. Okay, be better. NAME. Yes, it will be better. Okay, run this code. Okay, so again I choose one name. Okay, I use same name. Enter. Okay, see, the name is Pallavi Das, and the P and D will be capitalized. Okay, this is the all function. Okay, I covered all those functions through this example. Okay, everyone, those who are missed the previous classes, you can understood those things. Okay, clear this thing, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another thing you can say, sir, I don't want to capitalize on the first letter. I want to all the things will be capital letter. You can do this thing also. Again, do this thing. Control V. Okay, so what is the function? This thing, there's an one function, another function, that is upper. UPP here, and here also UPP here. Okay, so run this code, and I try my name. So you are Souronil, and Giri. Enter. See, my name is Souronil Giri. All the letter in the capital letter. Okay, understood, everyone? This way you can do all this operation in
Yes,
the
sir.
string and also user input. So there is what I covered in this example. Variable, how to create a variable, how to create a user input, also how to typecasting, all those things. Okay, this is the way you can uh, create all those things. Okay, so same way you can create your family details, your father's name, mother's name. Okay, you can try. Okay, now I want to create some address. Okay, It's the same thing. Can anyone suggest me how can I create one address and what is the column? I can say here there will be city, district, state, and pin number. Okay, this is the thing in the address. You have to taking user input and create all those things in the online, just like a name, and under address will be the city. Okay, this way. Can anyone do this in your system and tell me? Anyone? Have everyone joined with the laptop?
Yes, sir.
Anita. Okay, Subham, can you try in your lab system this thing?
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, everyone try to do. And those who have no laptop or join with the mobile, okay, try to message those answer in the chat box. Yes, someone sent a message. Okay, Ismail, can you try to write this code in the chat box? How can you create this address with this type of column, column, and the same thing in the concatenation? Okay, same thing. There's a name. Okay, there's four field. There's on a two field F name, L name. Here is the fourth field. Okay, you just concatenate same way. Okay. Don't use the capitalized, don't use the upper. If you choose, if you choose, but just write those who are in the using the mobile, just put the code in the chat box, and other please run this in your system and share when you have completed. Please everyone do this thing. Okay, I know some people have already covered those things, I don't know, but please practice this thing. It will help you and rest of all those things. Okay. Okay, I am stop sharing. Please share, Shubham.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, this is like
Okay, no, there will be one mistake. There is no pin name. This is pin number. Okay, only right enter the pin. No,
only
here
pin.
in the quotation. Yes, name.
Yeah.
Delete the name part. Only write pin. Enter the pin.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Pin.
Then what you do? Okay. Then the prints. Write the print statement.
If
Yes.
I concatenate those things,
Yes.
then I just do city plus then single some space, then plus, then again plus again space again. I don't want like each and everything concordant, but if I want concordant those things, then I can do like that also.
Yes, you just run.
Then next year.
It,
Well, run this thing and first enter your city.
okay.
Mm,
You write your city. Now.
registered. Concordant those stuff. Okay.
Okay.
They
Okay, one
feel
more thing you can do here. Okay, for everyone, please understood this thing. Yes, you can write without the string, but if you write a string, it will be better for your operation. Okay, and one thing, whenever you create the variable name, it will be try to smaller way, and also you can understood. Okay, you don't need to write district full. Only you can write dist. Okay, you can synchronize that thing also dist. Okay, and the other thing state you can write state, city also city. Okay, you can write anything in the variable name, but that could you can understand, but other can understood that this is the city variable for city name. Okay, and one more thing, you can not put the space, but using the comma.
Okay.
It will better. Please.
Yeah.
No, not there. Yes. Quotation and then comma. No, not comma. Using quotation then comma.
Using okay.
Quotation then inside
Single
comma.
quotation and comma.
Yes. Also here. Yes.
Okay. Sorry.
Yes. Now
Okay, sir.
it will all just shortly put. Yes, Bhuvaneswar.
I just do like that.
Yes. Just shortly write this name.
In I think it is integer, right?
Yes, that's why it will problem because
No,
you did not enter the pin here, na?
No,
So,
no, sir. Like if in professional level, that pin is always
yes,
be a string.
automatically it will
Yeah.
come, but you don't continue that thing, it will not occur here. Okay, yes. You have
Yes.
whenever you have to enter the pin, you have to always type casting. That's thing. Okay.
Then I can do like integer also, like here.
Okay, I will show that thing. Okay, you can
Okay,
stop
I
sharing.
think.
You can stop sharing. I show all those things.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, already all people. Yes, I was already sent those thing. Yes, I was. You can do that way also. Okay, you can understood those things. You can do on no problem, and you can also use the same concatenation part. Okay, yes, address plus city plus pin. Okay, yes, there is some issue happen in the Puja's query. Okay, I copy the. Okay, I'm sharing. Okay, my screen is visible. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I copy the all the things which are wrote by Pooja. Okay. No, the print should be in P small. Okay. Pooja, understood. The print will be always
Okay.
is small. Okay. One mistake. Then okay. If I do this thing, okay, see what happened. I just shortly put some name here just to show the error. I think some error now. Yeah, not A, I just Y, state name O, and number 8. See, some error happened. Why? Okay, can anyone guess the what is the error here? Anyone?
यस सर सिटी में जो फर्स्ट है वो कैपिटल है. Yes.
No, this is not problem because you can create anything. Only the print part you can also small p. Okay, the print is
Okay.
always small, but city you can create any kind of name. The capital letter, small letter, no issue. But there is other issue. Other people?
There
At the
is
print
D is
time, the
capital.
city C
Sorry,
is
sorry.
small and
Yes,
There
Sir,
sir, I
is
can.
here,
print part.
yes, sir, print statement C is capital.
C is small.
Say print
Oh,
statement
okay.
D.
Capital.
This,
Yeah.
okay. This thing. Okay. Yes. There will
P
be
also
some issue.
capital. P also
Okay.
capital.
S also capital.
Yes. Okay. There also
S.
some issue happen. Also, okay.
P also.
Okay. Now do again. Okay.
Yes.
JLO9. Again also the error. Can anyone now suggest?
There is
The pin code is
input.
Yes,
incorrect,
sir.
sir.
If
They didn't support integer
No,
types, sir. That's why the error is
Yes.
coming.
Because pin
ये
is
था हाँ.
integer value here, but
yes,
concatenation also only support on the string variable.
yes, sir.
As integer is this is integer, so you can do one thing. You can store
Remove this
the
integer.
pin also in the string order, but it is not okay. But you can write here on typecasting
str.
str bracket and then under the pin and then close. Okay. Now it will also pin is treated as a string. Okay. What is the value inside the pin? It will always treat it as a string. Okay. Now I just put full name. Okay. I place my city type district name. And West Bengal. There's pin is 1450. Okay. See, all those things is there clear. Okay. Now I can do the all those things because here is the no space part does not add it. So I have to not plus need here. I put here also plus and can also wait. I just put comma here city then plus then some quotation comma then I put the plus again quotation inside comma put the plus comma what I think here. I think okay. City comma star and it's okay now it is okay. Space it also. Now it is better. Okay. Just I shortly print JKL9 enter. See address JKLM, but I can write to full way. Okay, I just put DI contact. Into 1450. Okay. See contact to West Bengal. Okay. This way you can write your address. Okay. All of you has clear all those things. Hello.
Sir.
Okay. So everyone be aware this thing. Okay. If you use the concatenation, you have to always use this thing. Okay. And one more. Oh, some wait. And I was also send some code. You can do this way also. Okay. And also my way. How I just ran this code. Okay. I use no issue.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now move to some operation part. With using the user input with the integer values or float values. Okay, this way. Now move to the something out. Now we find okay the area of a circle. Okay. Okay. So one more thing I tell everyone how we write the comment. Write the comment. Comment is thing you can see here. I just put this thing city district set in this way, and it is kind of tilted, and this is kind of output here. Okay, this print here. Okay, so this is called the comment part. Okay, the comment is the thing you just write something inside the code but does not want to print that thing in the output. Okay, you just some symbolize something or mention something or some notes something. That's why use the comment. How can you write the comment? You just put any sentence here or any line here and just put the hashtag before this sentence. It will all convert to the comment part. Okay, here I also write some question. Calculate the area of a circle. Okay, circle, and I just write this thing. This is also treated as a code inside the, but if I put one hashtag, it will treat it as a comment. Okay, so please everyone note this thing. This is a comment. Okay, and also there are one shortcut. You can just select all those things and control /. Automatically it will move as a comment. Okay, so what is the thing? Shortcut you can write here. Control +/ this. Okay, it will shortcut. You can select all those things and then this put this thing and it will change into comment part. Okay, now I have to create this calculate the area of the circle. So what I have to need? Can you tell me? Calculate the Pooja. Can you tell me? You're from the mathematical student. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
yes. Tell me what I have to need to create to calculate the area of the circle.
Pi r square.
Okay, so I have to need the radius of the circle and also the value of the pi. Okay, so at
Yes,
first,
yes.
I take some radius, so I just put rad here also, or you can write full radius also. I just shortly rad because I know it is radius. So radius, it will be always in the which part? Also the integer part, but also the float part. Okay, I take any kind of the integer input or the float input. Okay, by your choice. So input 2 3 I write integer for the typecasting and input for the input function, and then write the enter the radius of the circle. Okay. Yes, anyone say something? Hello. Okay. Okay. Now what I do? I create another variable. What is the area? Okay. Because I do the operation inside this variable and then print this variable. Don't do this thing in the or the last line. Okay, it will better. So what I do? What is the formula?
2
Pi r square. So I just put the value 3.14 here. Okay, star for the multiplication. Okay, star for multiplication purpose. Then red.
Radius.
Red star red. You can do this thing, or there will be another way I can write here. Okay. Okay, this is the area 1. I just do another thing. Area 2, 3.14 star red star 2. This means rad square. This also rad square. This also rad square, because this is multiplied by 2 times. This is star mean power. Okay, power operator. Okay. Now I just enter, then print only the area on. Okay.
Area of circle.
No, yes, you can write this way also, the area of circle. Of circle is, then quotation, then comma, I put the area on. Okay. Both also same thing, control P or the area 2 also. Okay, run this code. Okay, I just take one here, circle radius 7, enter. See, this is the, you can calculate in your computer. Sorry, computer, not a calculator. It will be same. Okay, see, both is the output same, because those is the same thing. So rad star rad mean 2 times multiplication of rad, and this is also power of 2. Okay. Okay, clear everyone? This is why you can operate the calculation with the integer input. Okay, you can also do this thing with the float value.
Yes.
I just copy only those part. Okay, all part, control C, and just put here. I just change this number as a float. Okay, once I run this code, if I put here 5.6, what happened? See, error, because 5.6 is a float value number, but here I already mentioned integer number, so this way it will treat as a error. Okay, so I have to always put here as an integer number. Okay, so I always have to put some 9, and that will be the answer. Okay, here I already changed the number float and do the, and don't need.
Spelling is not that hard.
Yes, say again.
Sir, spelling.
Okay.
Spelling.
Yes. FY23. Yes. Okay, I put into both the things. Okay. Now I put the 7.2. Enter. Now it will give the output. Okay. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, now everyone do this question. Calculate the area of triangle. Quick, everyone, do this thing. Okay, do this thing. I will come with 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, so done everybody? No. Okay, tell me what is the formula of the area of the triangle?
Half B to H.
Yes. Okay, I use you have give this thing. Okay, yes, I think it is good. Yes. Okay. Okay, I copy this. Yes. Pooja also. Yes, Pooja, you can do this data also. Same thing, you can do anything, but it will be good, right? It will be right. Okay, no issue. Okay. I copy both this comment and okay. I took base is 8. Height is 5. Yes, 5 at 40 and 20. Okay. Using float, no issue. Okay. Next, Pooja, your query. Okay, why is this error? Yes. Pooja, you write this input inside the quotation. You have to give it's a function. Okay, Pooja, hello.
हाँ यस सर वो मोबाइल में टाइप करते हैं ना तो
Okay,
थोड़ी
okay, okay,
मिस्टेक
no
हो
issue.
जाती
But you'll be very careful about this thing. So, okay, now I think this is the correct. Comma. Okay. Okay, I have to put the other bracket. Okay. Now it will 6 enter 7 21. Yes. Okay. Okay, Subham, your code is also right. Okay. Yes, 1/2 base into height. Okay. Yes. Good. Okay. Everyone be careful. What is your variable you created? Same thing you have to put here in the output. Okay. If you're calling that variable. Okay. If you here put the capital letter, you have to put the capital letter. Okay. If you change those things, it will not give the output. Okay. Okay. All of you is okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Hare Krishna. Good. Yes, bomb. Yes. Good. All. Okay. Now. Okay. Okay. I think the string integer, all the operational part is clear to all of you. Now move to the list part. Okay. So what is list? List is nothing but is a data type you can store here.
Collection of data.
Yes, you can store here multiple type of data, any kind of data here. Okay. So so at first there's a question is you have to create the list, empty list, and then you have to add some element here and also some question are there. Okay. So okay, I just at first creating the list, empty list. How can we create the empty list? Simple. You have to create some name here. So I just create the name list1. Okay. List1 is the variable name of the list is equal to, and now there's one function, list function. You can type list and just put the bracket. Okay. It will automatically create one list whose name is list1. Okay. Enter. You can just print the list1. Okay. list1. See what is so saying. See, this is the empty list because we know the empty list is create as write as a square bracket. Okay, so this is the empty list. I can create this way. Okay, you can also check this is also list or not. You just put one thing, same just type. Okay, one function here, print bracket type. Okay, type is showing the data type of this variable. Okay, this is list. Okay, so this is the type function you can use here to check the what is this data type. Okay, this way. Okay, so this way I can create the list. Okay, so again I just copy this thing, not write everything. Control C. Okay, Control V. Okay, I create the empty list. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to enter some data or element inside the list. So what is the method? Can anyone tell me what is the method to enter element inside a list? Who have taken attend the last class? I think
Append.
yes. Append is the function, but method you can add one variable at a time. Okay, so how can I write this thing? List one dot append. Okay, then put bracket, and inside the bracket you can put any number. Okay, I do this list operation using the number. Okay, not the any other variables, only using the numbers. Okay, so I put 8 here. Okay, and then enter. You can just print now. Print list one. Okay, I two time I print here also. List one. Okay, now just run this code. See, at first when is the empty list, there is no element here, but after the append you can see there's one element here. Okay, this way I can 5 I just append 5 element. Okay, now you can do this manually, but when you can learn the loops concept or the then you can do something other way. You can create one list. Okay, Control C and okay, enter Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. 5 times. Okay, I just changed the values here. I just put here 1. There is the 7. Here is the 79. Okay. Here, okay, 36. Okay. Okay, also do something here also. 15 is also 82. Okay. This is the 5 element I add here. Okay. Right. See, there is the one element. Okay. 8, 15. I have 5 elements here inside the. Okay. Now I want to insert a specific element in the third position. Okay. This here in the third position there is the 82. I just insert one element this position, because every time see when is create the 8, it will at first adding, but every time it will after the element it will adding, not anywhere. Okay, so I want specifically in the third position where the 82 is here, there I want to add some element 999. Okay, and now tell me which method I can use. Because
Insert.
List dot insert.
insert because append always in at the element last. Okay, so I have to list
List
one.
dot
Yes, insert
then bracket.
here I have to give the index value. What is the index value? Okay, so everyone please understand, careful please think. Indexing mean what is the position of this all element. Okay, so for positive indexing, from here from 8 it will start, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I show you on something. Wait, yeah, what is the indexing part? Okay, see here. Here's the indexing, but you have see the split screen here, the left side. Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So there's the one variable that is Python. So for the indexing, from the starting letter, it will start from 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much big the letter, it will continue the number for every letter or every character. Okay, if there is a space, it will also treat it as a one index value also there. Okay, so this is called positive indexing from this way 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so and there's also another indexing for this has from the end value from the end side or the right to left, also called negative indexing. This is start from the -1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, this way continue. How much it is lengthy, this will also continue. Okay, so this is a thing called indexing. Okay, so this is the indexing. Understood, everyone? Understood what is indexing? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, so can you tell me what is the index value of the 82?
Sir, 2.
2. 2 is the index value 82. So I insert the value inside on the 82 position. So I just put here 2. Then comma, then put the value what I want to insert 999. Okay. Now run. See, it will. Okay,
Yes, sir.
one more thing. This not mean insert mean not replace those things. Okay, it is also insert that position. Automatically, the other value will be shifted. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so I have already completed insert part. Okay, now I have to delete some element. Okay, so I have to delete one element. So what is the method for delete?
Remove. Remove.
Remove others. There are
Pop.
two methods.
Index pop.
Pop, yes. So at first I use I want to eliminate the last element, so that's why I use the pop. Okay. So I just write list one dot pop and just only put the bracket. I have to enter it doesn't enter anything inside the bracket. Okay, just run. See the last element automatically removed. Okay, what is the last element? 36 automatically removed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so pop function pop method delete the last element from the list. Okay, and there's another thing that is remove also. You can just put the element here, automatically delete the element list one dot remove, and you have to put the values. I want to remove 8. No, 8, no, 15. See, it will
Yes.
remove the. So this is by choice and this is by default pop. Okay, so this way I can. Okay, now the last question, you have to rearrange those numbers from highest to lowest. So what can I do?
Sort.
Okay, sort. So what sort do? From lowest to highest. But I want to highest to lowest.
Sir, is equal to true. Inside the bracket, we need to write reverse is equal to true.
Yes, you can do that way. Yes, but I want other things to use two function here. I use here sort and reverse. Okay, understood? I just put L1 dot sort. Okay, then I just put list one dot reverse, because for sort it will sort from the lowest to highest and reverse to highest to lowest. Okay, see, from highest to lowest. Okay, and also you can do what you saying, the CPT is equal to true. Okay, you can do that way. But this way, I want to do this question answer to use all those function inside the list. Okay, that's why I use this thing. Okay, so clear everyone? What is the function inside the list? Also there you can also now you can add another function. What is the length of the function? To just put len bracket list one. Okay, and you can find there is the 4 element. Okay, you have to print such a print length of the function. See, 4. Because there are 4 elements, so print this time. Okay, everyone clear? All those things, all those function in this list. Any doubt?
Sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, now move to the next part. What is slicing? Okay, slicing, you can see here, there's a slicing something. Okay, slicing means, you know, when you are in the house, there's some big bread crumb, you can slice those thing, or cake, slicing away. So slicing means you can just cut some values from some range to some range. Okay, this is what slicing. Okay, and it will write those thing by this thing, this operator, some bracket and quotation here. You can write the start value and the end value. Okay, from where to start the slicing and where to you want to end the slicing. Okay, okay. That's why I create one list. List 2 is equal to, using the bracket, square bracket, and the values are 25, 15, 30, 40, 95. Okay, okay. I take the 5 bill. Okay. Okay. Now, anyone tell me how can we print the first 3 element in this list?
Okay,
Yes, you
list
have
2
to.
square brackets.
Okay.
Column 0 as 0 column. Okay,
Okay. 0.
0 column.
Okay.
You want 3.
Yes, first 3 element.
1, 2, 4.
2.
4 column 1. 0 column 4 column 1. Yeah, only 4. It's okay.
So wait few minutes. Wait for a minute.
So column 0 column 4 column 1.
Okay. So what happened here?
Sir, 0 column 4 column 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
So same thing, but I want to print the first 3 element.
0, 1, 2, 3,
0
4.
column.
Sir, 4 because of 4. Counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into return 4.
See. Okay,
It
I
will be
have to
written,
want
sir.
to print first 3 element. Okay, see.
0 column 2.
0, 0. This is 0, 1,
1, 2,
2,
3.
2, 2. So if I put here 3, it will
It will
automatically
work. Okay.
comment out
I
this
have-
thing or omit this thing. Also print first 3 element. Okay, see. Okay, understood?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Because you have to first 3 element, you have to use the index value. Okay, so first 3 element, because key 0, 1, 2. So what I know, 0 automatically taken from 0 start, but the end value excluded. What is 3? 3 here, 40. So 40 is excluded. It does not take. So only print the first 3 element. Okay. So always understood, if you use the positive indexing, you just put the 3. If you want 3 element, just put 3. Starting from 0 and end with 3. Okay. Now you can also use the 3.1. This is also for the step. Okay. No, I don't use that. Not now. Later I will use it. Okay. You can use by the negative indexing. How can you use that? Okay, see, negative, not negative. I want to print the last 3 element. So what I do?
-1.
Yes, what I do? I
-1
do
column.
-1.
What?
Column.
Our last 3 means what? 1,
3 means
-1,
2,
-2, -3.
-3.
So I have
Yeah.
to.
4, 4. -4.
Okay, see what happened. Error. because I have to start from the this way, na? Because minus 1 is the last element.
minus
Yes.
further minus 1.
Yes. Last 3 element means what? 30, 40. So what is the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3? So I have to put minus 3, and then here I have to put minus 1. Okay, not minus 1. You can just only replace that way. See? Okay. If you put here anything, it will automatically comment out that thing, na? So I just don't put anything. So this is the slicing part. Okay. They are complicated, I know. So you have to practice this thing in your house. So you can, okay. So this is the thing you can do with the slicing. Okay. Now I have moved to the theory part we have to cover today. The dictionary and the set and the condition part. Okay. So coming to the dictionary. Okay, so dictionary is nothing but, okay, yes,
Collection of library.
yes, also same as the data type, or you can collection of library. You can store here the value like a key value pairs. Okay, so see when you have stored something here in the tuple or in list, there is some index value 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But here there is already given on indexing like key. Okay, so value as one index, that is called key. Just like every lock has a unique key, so every value should be one unique key, but value should be what? Duplicated. Okay, like one is value is name 1. Suppose my name something, some people also say my name, so name 1 also Souronil and name 2 also be Souronil. It will be happen, but name 1 and name 2 should be different. There are no name 2 types. Okay, I can create here. See, if I dictionary, I just put D1 here. Is equal to, I always write to this thing is a curly bracket, and then you have to, okay, see, I write here name, okay, and okay, and always the key should be in the string value. Okay, so you have to put the quotation, single quotation or double quotation, anything you can write here. Name, I put some my name. Yes, so you are NIL name. Okay, comma. Then again I create another variable name, and then put the name again. Yes, so you are. Sorry, I have to also put the thing, the quotation. Quotation, okay. So run. So error happen. Okay, these are does not call. Okay, quotation. I have to print. Only one value printing, because does not take the duplicate value. Okay, so if I just change little bit name 1 and name 2, see, it will print both things. Okay, so understood, the dictionary does not taking the duplicate key but also taking the duplicate values. Okay, so this is the thing you can create the any kind of dictionary here. It is unordered and it also mutable. Can you tell me what is mutable mean? Anyone?
Mutables means we can change the data type, like
Yes.
by using of a method, we can change that value. If you
Yes,
want to
yes,
add
you can.
something, you can.
Yes. Mutable mean you can change any data inside the dictionary.
Yeah.
So this is the thing. D1, I can create a ID, color, and years. There are 3 keys and 3 values are there. You can print this thing. So the print and what is the type of this data type? This is dictionary. Okay, you can print by the type function. Okay. So same thing again in the printing here. Same thing. Okay. See here I do the same thing. Years and years. Okay. There are 2 things different keys but same values. Okay. So this is you can do that way. Okay, now you have to count how many data or values are there. Okay, you can just using the length method. It will show there 4 ID column, color, years and year 4. Okay, what is the item? Item means all those things will be printed here. See, item it will print this way: ID 124, color black, years 2023, year 2023. Okay, this is the item is all the thing it will printing here. Now you have to want to only print the keys. What are the keys that in this dictionary? You just use this statement. Just the dictionary keys are this ID, color, years, and year. Okay. You only want the values. What is the values to this thing? Just values, run. See, the values are 124 black 2020 2023. Okay. Now you can call the values by calling the key. You just d1 bracket the key name. You can get the values black. Okay. You can do another thing. You just put year, year, and run. It will give you 2023. Okay. You can update. Okay. Update means you can add some values or item inside the dictionary. Okay. Because we tell the dictionary is mutable. You can add something. So just update and print dictionary. It will add in the last contact as it is. You can delete. How can you delete? Using the pop method and just put the key. Always here you always do the operation using the key. Okay, because key is the index value here. You can tell that thing or understand that way. Okay, just pop that thing and print. See the years. Here the years total was already deleted. Okay, only year part will be there. Okay, and you just create the changing also. Okay, you can change the value also by this way. How? You just put this thing, the key, and the enter some value. You can change this value this way. See, the year will be 2020 to 2020. So changing. You can add some key value pairs here. You can delete some key value pairs. You can also change the value using the key. Okay. And there is now the del d1. Okay. Del d1 means you automatically delete the full dictionary. Okay. There no. You see, I delete the d1 and print error because d1 is not defined, means there is no value d1 there or no variable there. There is no value. Okay. Now understood the other method is clear. What is the clear method? Clear method also clear the data or the clear the values inside the d1, not the d1. Okay. So if I do this thing, see, it is printing a empty dictionary. See. Okay. So there are two things: delete del keyword and clear. Those do operational difference. Del delete the whole dictionary, but clear only delete the or clear the data or the values inside or the items inside the D1. Okay, and create a empty dictionary. Understood, everyone? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Now come to the next thing. This is set. Set is also the data type or collection of non-data elements. Okay. Here you can add any kind of data, but you cannot use the duplicate. Okay. If you use the duplicacy, it will automatically remove that thing. Okay. And it will unordered unindexed. Okay. So I just create that way. See, 1, 2, 3 RAM. This is also a set. And if I do this thing, see, it will remove the true and false. Why? Can you tell me?
Sir.
Hello, anyone can tell me why?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
It is allow only immutable data types, immutables data types.
Yes, because 1 and 0 both are equivalent to true and false. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's why it was duplicate values. So it will always taking the first enter values 1 and 0, not the true and false. If I delete 0 and also delete the 1, see, now it will take the false and true and also unordered. See, false come the first, then true, then ram, then true, then ram. Because it is unordered or unindexed. There will no index. Index, you can do anything indexing. You cannot do. Okay. So this is unordered. Clear, everyone? How can you how set
Yes.
works? Okay. You can also calculate the length, how many data elements are there. 4 elements are in the lane one. Remove 0. cannot, there are no zeros, so you can remove the values. Selecting, I remove the 2. Okay, run. See, the 2 will be removed by the remove. You can also pop, same method, pop will be remove the last, or anything, it will remove anything. See, it will remove anything because there is no order. So by using pop method, you do not know which element will be removed because the set is unordered or unindexed. So there will be no thing, always there last will be the ram, last will be the thing. Okay, I do again what happened now. See, every time it will remove the one. Okay, so no issue. But this is the pop method. Okay. Now the clear also same. It will clear the data and create a empty set. Okay. And there are also some mathematical operation, union, intersection. Okay. Also the differentiation, no, not differentiation, union, intersection. Those things you can do. Union means it will add the all element but remove the duplicate. Okay, because 1 2 3 2 4 5, there 2 is the 2 time occurred. It will remove the one only 1 2, take the only 1 2 and remove the duplicate 2 and print all the thing in one set. Okay, this is called union. And intersection, it will print the common element between these two sets. Okay, there are 2 is the common element, it will print the common element 2. 2 is the intersection. So this is the method, mathematical set operation, union, intersection you can do using this set. Okay, so set is already complete. I have told all those method here. You can see here. Okay, now come to the conditional statement. Okay, so what is conditional statement? Conditional statement means there will be some statements based on some condition. Okay, so there will be some condition, and based on that condition, you can give some statement or output or some operation. You can say anything. Okay, this is called conditional statement. Okay, so what is the first? There are three type of condition statement. The first is if statement. What is if statement? You can see in the theory part. There will be only one condition, only one output. Okay, so based on only one condition, it will give the only one output. What is this thing? There, if you create one condition, if the condition is true, then you can give one output. If not true, then no output will be there. Okay, this is syntax. If condition and then print one statement. You can print some statement also to do some operation, anything, because inside the print you can do any kind of operation. Okay, so it will you can call some output also operation will be there. Okay, so this is the syntax. So there's some example. See, okay, you can do anything, but I just create at first some user input to get the age of some people, some students or some words. So I can checking those the student is eligible to give the vote or not. Okay, so that's why I have to create one function age. Sorry, not function, on variable age, and create the user input. And as the age is the integer, so it is in integer input, integer data type I can take. So then I give some condition. Okay, so in the condition part, you always have to use the comparison operator. What is comparison operator? So go to the operator part. See here. What is the comparison operator? Comparison operator means there will be compare something. You can compare some values, compare some data. Is that thing that or not? Okay. So always you can compare. You can give two output, true or false. Yes, everyone. There were two output. If I told you that is 2 is greater than 3, no, 2 is less than 3, so it will be false. If I told you is 1 is greater than 0, yes, 1 is greater than 0, it is true. So here you can use the comparison operator, always give the two output, true or false. So this technique or this condition we use here in the conditional statement. So here, what is the condition here? Age greater than 18. It is the condition, it is the operator, comparison operator user. And when I put this condition, you have to use the if part. If age greater than 18, then it will give the output. Okay, I run this code. Okay, enter your age. Okay, I put the age 25. Okay, so what you say? 25 is greater than 18? Yes, it is true. So when it is true, it will always print this statement. Yes, you are eligible to giving vote, because always we know if you greater than 18, so you can give the vote. Sorry. Okay, enter 25 and then enter. See, it is true. So yes, you are eligible for giving vote. Okay, so if I put the other value less than 18, so what happened? See, I put 17. Enter. See, there will be no output, because this is the if statement only give the output when it is true, not for the false. Okay, so same for the this thing. Mainly if statement we use for the operation. So here, if num is greater than 5, then I do this operation. Okay, not for the every time, but for the statement always we do some operation. So I run this code and put some number. Always I have to give some number greater than 5, so I have to put 9. Then enter. It will addition the num plus 5. It will 15 14. Okay, so understood what is the if statement, everyone? Hello.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now let's come to the yes. Okay, so if statement completed. Now come to the if else statement. Okay, this is the same thing from the previous. There will be one output for the false. Okay, if here, if there is no output for the false, if the age is 70, what is the output? What's the people know he is eligible or not? You do not give any output. So that's why there will be some else part coming. The else part give you the output for the false result. Okay, so here again the thing same code, but I just add some thing, the else part. Else, then I put the thing. Okay, run this code. I put the age 17. So now it is give the output. No, you are not eligible for the giving vote. If some people not know what is the voting eligibility, so they see no, yes, mine is less than 18, so I cannot give the vote. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, one more thing. Okay, see here, putting the every time if condition and else there will one colon, and then I enter that thing inside there. Can you know what is this gap, this part? What is this gap? Anyone knows why is this gap coming? Because if I put simple enter here, see, it will automatically start from here. But when I put this thing, I just
Indentation.
delete. See, if I just enter here, see, automatically give some spaces here. And you don't know what is this thing?
Indentation.
Yes, this is called indentation. What is indentation? Indentation automatically generate when you using this if else statement or some condition, some function. Whenever you put this colon after some condition, then automatically in the next line it will create some gap. Okay, if I omit this gap, it will show error. See, error. What error? Indentation error. Okay, so if star, then some indentation you have to use. Okay, so always give some indentation here. Okay, this is the indentation part. So I run again some code and I just put some greater than value of 18, 20, 19. I just put 19 here. See, yes, you are eligible for the giving. Okay, so this way you can print both output for the both outcomes. If true, there will be on an outcome. If false, there will be on an outcome. Okay, see the next question. Here I can do two operations for two outcomes. If the number is greater than 5, then I can do the operation of +1 and +5, and if the less than 5, then it will do some operation -1. Okay, so this is the operation. I run this code. Okay, if I put some value for 10, so what is the is 10 is greater than 5? It will 10 plus 5, it will be output 15. See, it will 15. Again, I run this code. I want a false outcome. So what is the I put 4. So what is the outcome 3, because we know 4 is less than 5, so it will be do this else part, go to else part, and it will do this operation 4 minus 1, it will be output will be 3. Okay, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if and if else both is the same thing, only one condition, and there will be one output for if and two output for if else. Okay, this thing now. Okay, you can do this function, this if else technique for checking the even number, odd number. Okay, I do here the code here. You have to put some operation. We know the even number always divisible by 2, so I put this condition here. If the num percentage 2 is equal to 0, means it means the remainder divisible. Okay, it's the remainder is 0, then it will be even, otherwise it will odd number. Okay, run this code. I put 78. I know this is the even number. Enter. Yes, 78 is the even number. Again run this code. If I put 89, it is a odd number. Enter. 89 is the odd number, because every time it will check the condition. Num divisible by 2 is 0. It's remainder by 2 is, if I divide the 89 by 2, the remainder is 0. No, it is remainder is 1, because 2 divided by 88, then the remainder is 1. So no, it is false. So it will move to the else part and print this statement. Okay, so this way you can do different type of operation by if else statement. Okay, now come to the if, elif, and else statement. What does this mean? This mean there will be multiple condition. Okay, if there are multiple condition, then you have to do this way. There will be not multi if, else not my equal, right? If, elif, you can do another function, it will always elif. See the syntax. If there is condition, it is true, then direct print statement. If this is false, then move to the elif part. Whenever the it is false, move the elif part. Then check the next condition. It is true, yes, then print that statement inside the elif. If this is also false, then move the next condition. It will continue. If there are multiple person, it will go for the multiple rounds. Okay, and if no condition will be true, automatically go to the else part. It will print the last statement. Okay, so here this question I just checking the number is positive, negative, or equal to 0. Okay, so this way I will take this query. So there is two condition. I can check is the number is equal to 0. If 0, it is a number, it is a 0 number, it is equal to 0. If number is greater than 0, so it will be positive number, otherwise it will be negative number. Okay, so run this code. See, at first I put 0. Enter. 0 is equal to 0. What happened? At first, when I put 0, it will check the first condition. Is num is equal to 0? Yes. It will print automatically 0. Okay. So it will automatically, then it did not come to the checking the other condition. If one condition true, automatically print that statement. That's completed. Okay. Again, run this code. I put 4. 4. And it is not 0. So then it will come to the next condition, num greater than 0. It will checking. So run. Oh, again. Wait. See, yeah. Okay, enter number 4 and then enter. See, 4 is a point because it will check the first condition. It is false. And move to the next condition. It is true because 4 is greater than 0. So it is print the positive number. And then don't move to the else part. Okay. Again run. I now put -5. What happened? It will check first the it is, sorry, what happened? I just no. Okay, just I put it here. I run this code again. -5. Okay, see, I just put -5 here. So it will check the first condition. If num is equal to 0, no, it is not equal to 0. Okay, so false. Then move to the next condition. Elif greater than 0, no, false. Then move to the next part. Yes, else it is negative number. Enter. See, minus y negative number. Okay, this is the thing if else. Okay, there are multiple conditions and multiple outputs will be there. Okay, now here is the one grade system I create here. You can see this is the grading. I just put three condition. One is get less than 100 and greater than 90, grade A. Less than 90, greater than 70, grade B. Less than 70, greater than 50, grade C, and other will be grade D. So I can run this code and put the mark. I got the value 57. On people got the value 57. What is the his grading? His grade is C because 57 is belong to this. So every time it will check the condition. It is true to print that statement. It is false to move to next condition. So multiple it will check the condition. Whenever it is true, then it print the output. Okay. If there are false every time, it will continue the condition. Go to condition. Okay. So this is the thing. Now come to the nested if else statement. What is nested if else statement? Nested if else statement means this one condition inside the other condition. See condition under condition. See I go through this uh, example. Check the leap year. Okay. So what is the condition for checking leap year? There will be two conditions. One is if the year is century year or not. If the year is century year, then it is should be divisible by 400. Okay. If it is not, then it is not century year. It will simply divided by 4. So this is the thing. Okay. So at first I do year percentage 100 not equal to 0. Means I checking the year is century or not. No, it is not century year. If it is true, if the year is century year, then it is also checking. Sorry, if this is not century year, then it will check in the next condition. 4, it is divisible by 4. Yes, it is 4. Then it will print that it is leap year. Else it is not divisible by 4. It is not a leap year. Other condition. What is the other condition? If the year is divisible by 400, then it will be leap year. Okay. Okay. So run the code. You understood better. Okay. I put 2024. This is the current year, and we know this is the leap year. Okay. So run this code. Enter. See, 2024 is a leap year. What is the condition going on? See, I understood. At first, it will checking this condition. Is this is a century or not? This mean it is divisible by 100? No. So it is not equal to means no. It is then it true. So it will continue go to the this condition part, nested condition part. This year is divisible by 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4. So it is a leap year. Okay. If I do another example, run 2000, the previous year of our 23. This is not a leap year. See, this is not a leap year. Why? Because it is not divisible by 400 by the 4. Also not a century year, but not divisible by 4. So else part coming, then print this not a leap year. Okay. Now taking some value of the century year. Okay, let's 2000. Okay, this is a I know this is a leap year because it will divisible by 400. So at first it will checking it is divisible not divisible by 100. No, it is divisible by 100. So it will omit that condition, jump to the EILP part. Okay. Then it is divisible by 400. Yes, it is divisible by 400. It is leap year. Yes. Sorry for this. 2000. Enter. See, it's a leap year. Clear? It is printing this output. Understood? This is the is leap year. It is not leap year. Okay. Because it is printing by this output for this statement. Okay. So this is the thing of the nested if else. So everyone clear? All the conditional statement or in doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the 3 questions. I put this in the chat box. Everyone practice or do this question. Okay. I am going to stop sharing.